Hey guys, welcome to the webinar series on Python for data analytics and machine learning. So myself, I'm Vamsi Krishna Kiran, working in computer science department, Amrita University. Um, so hope you're all staying safe, stay home during this COVID crisis. Um, and because all we are all free at homes and we have good time, I think it's right time for us to upgrade our skills. So I thought, okay, I'll start this webinar series so that it will be useful for the beginners who are aspiring to be a data scientist and who wants to know, like, okay, what are all the different machine learning algorithms that are available, and quickly do some kinds of hands-on exercises and upgrade your coding skills. So that's the main motto of this particular webinar series. So this will be a little slow, and it is absolutely for the beginners. Even if you don't have any knowledge in Python, that's absolutely fine, because I'm going to teach from the fundamentals of Python in the first one or two classes, and then we will slowly proceed to some of the packages like NumPy, Pandas, and then how to use some plotting packages like Matplotlib, Seaborn, etc. And then finally, we'll see like how to implement some basic machine learning algorithms, for example, like linear regression, logistic regression, SVM, decision trees, etc., using the scikit-learn packages. So I hope that this webinar series will give you a good fundamental idea on how to run machine learning algorithms, and specifically like how to deal with the data. So apart from just teaching theoretically in this series, we would also see some live code examples. I'll demonstrate it live. And also I would like to mention here that just understanding the machine learning algorithms is not just sufficient. You should also have a statistical view to that. That means you should understand how your statistical maths is very important when you are dealing with large data sets. So I hope that this series will give you good insights into all these things. So this is my agenda. I'm planning to finish this webinar series in roughly 3 or 4 classes, but I'm not pretty sure. And like I said, I'll be a little slow because I'm assuming that the user, I mean, the participant is not having any knowledge in the basic Python. So yeah, it will take a little time. But if you are already like good in Python, you can actually skip the first 1 or 2 sessions on this, and maybe you can join for the third session. So yeah, so this is my rough agenda. We are going to see why Python for machine learning, what are all the different kinds of Python Jupyter notebooks available, including the Anaconda distribution and some online notebooks like Microsoft Azure notebooks, Colab, etc. And we'll also see what are the different libraries that are necessary for doing data analytics and machine learning. And finally, we'll see some of the implementations of machine learning algorithms. So with that, we'll finish this particular series.